Question 1. As per is 800 is to 2007. What is the partial safety factor? Gamma M0. For resistance governed by yielding of structural steel. Option A. 1.1. Option B. 1.25. Option C. 1.5. Option D. 1. Time is up. The correct answer is option A, 1.1. Question 2. What is the maximum effective slenderness ratio permitted for a member carrying compressive loads resulting from dead loads and imposed loads? Option A, 180. Option B, 250. Option C, 350. Option D, 400. Time is up. The correct answer is option A, 180. Question 3. Which plastic cross-section category is defined as sections that can develop plastic moment capacity, but have local buckling occurring before rotation capacity can be developed? Option A. Plastic, Class 1. Option B. Compact, Class 2. Option C. Semi-compact, Class 3. Option D. Slender, Class 4. Time is up. The correct answer is option B, compact, Class 2. Question 4. As per is 800 is to 2007. What is the partial safety factor? Gamma MB. For shop-fabricated bolts. Option A, 1.1. Option B, 1.25. Option C, 1.375. Option D, 1.5. Time is up. The correct answer is option B, 1.25. Question 5. What is the minimum effective length of a fillet weld as per is 800 is to 2007? Option A, 2 times the size of weld. Option B, 4 times the size of weld. Option C, 6 times the size of weld. Option D, 8 times the size of weld. Time is up. The correct answer is option B, 4 times the size of weld. Question 6. In the design of tension members, the effective net area for a plate connected by bolts is influenced by which factor? Option A, yield stress. Option B, shear lag factor. Option C, Poisson ratio. Option D, flexural rigidity. Time is up. The correct answer is option B, shear lag factor. Question 7. What is the maximum slenderness ratio allowed for a tension member in which a reversal of direct stress occurs due to loads other than wind or seismic forces? Option A, 180. Option B, 250. Option C, 350. Option D, 400. Time is up. The correct answer is option A, 180. Question 8. As per is 800 is to 2007. What is the Poisson ratio of structural steel in the elastic range? Option A, 0.15. Option B, 0.25. Option C, 0.3. Option D, 0.5. Time is up. The correct answer is option C, 0.3. Question 9. For a lacing bar in a built-up column, what should be the minimum inclination angle with the axis of the built-up member? Option A, 30 degrees. Option B, 40 degrees. Option C, 45 degrees. Option D, 60 degrees. Time is up. The correct answer is option B, 40 degrees. Question 10. What is the effective length of a column of length L having one end restrained against translation and rotation and the other end free? Option A, 0.65 L. Option B, 0.80 L. Option C, 1.00 L. Option D, 2.00 L. Drop your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for daily quizzes.